Warning: the future of studio-grade AI video creation just got unreal. Because every time you post another average reel, recycled stock clip, or basic Canva slideshow, you're not standing out, you're just blending in. And in today's online world, blending in means disappearing. Let's face it, the internet is drowning in the same boring 1980s style videos, overused stock footage, template-driven graphics, generic motivational videos everyone has scrolled past 1,000 times. And guess what? The algorithm doesn't care. Your audience doesn't care. And your competitors, well, they're happy you look just like everyone else. If you're creating videos like everyone else is doing, you'll keep getting the same dead-end zero or very low engagement levels. Now, imagine what if you could be a part of the never-seen-before AI video revolution, where one prompt turns into a full studio-grade 4K cinematic videos in seconds. Say hi to AI Clips, brand new, ultra-fresh clip-to-cinema AI engine that instantly creates scripts, voiceovers, music, characters, and full video clips from just one prompt. With this by your side, even newbies can create studio-grade 4K AI videos from a single input without drowning in expensive tools, hiring unpredictable freelancers, spending hours learning complicated software. AI Clips creates Hollywood-style AI videos in 3 stupid simple steps. Number 1, input your idea. Number 2, let AI direct your scene. Number 3, export video in seconds. Here are some amazing Hollywood-grade AI features packed inside AI Clips Hollywood-level results. 0 Hollywood effort. Transform raw ideas, sketches, or random images into studio-grade cinematic scenes, even if you've never edited a video before. AI Scene Writer that thinks like a blockbuster director. Your AI instantly builds shot-by-shot scenes that look planned by a pro, complete with pacing, emotion, and dramatic arc. Lightning-fast cinematic rendering engine. Generate high-impact, scroll-stopping videos 10 times faster than traditional editors. Perfect for shorts, reels, ads, and trailers. AI director mode for perfect shots every time. The system automatically chooses camera angles, transitions, lighting, and motion, so every shot feels intentional, smooth, and cinematic. Hollywood FX. Without the Hollywood budget, add dramatic lighting, dynamic motion, cinematic overlays, and pro-grade visual effects with one click. No After Effects required. Intelligent Video Workflow Engine, your personal creative team. AI handles writing, directing, editing, music, voices, and effects. You just type a keyword and collect the applause. Studio-grade voiceovers in any emotion or language turn scripts into powerful AI voiceovers with emotion, depth, and realism. Perfect for VSLs, ads, narrations, and character dialogue. AI-generated music that matches your story beat for beat. Your video auto-receives custom background music synced perfectly to the emotion, pacing, and tension of each scene. Cinematic sound effects for maximum impact, punchy hits, whooshes, footsteps, atmosphere. Make your scenes feel real without searching SFX libraries for hours. AI tag, title, and description engine for viral reach. The system automatically generates click magnet titles, SEO-ready descriptions, and trending tags so your videos rank, go viral, and get discovered faster. Designed to make you money, even if you're a total beginner. Create ad-quality videos for clients, influencers, coaches, agencies, local businesses, and charge $50 to $300 per video with just a few clicks. Platform perfect output for any social channel. One click equals optimized formats for TikTok, YouTube, Reels, Facebook, ads, websites, and more. Built for speed, content volume, and going viral. Pump out video after video. Said perfect for content creators, agencies, freelancers, and anyone who wants instant attention online. Attract countless clients who want unique AI 4K video content fast. Offer in demand was one-of-a-kind AI video clips that competitors can't match. Winning clients who'll pay premium rates for fast, unique content. So what's the point waiting? Click below to grab complete access to AI Clips now before the price goes monthly, but you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, AI Clips will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below to get AI Clips for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.